Okay, I'm gonna form a normal tenon first. Okay, I've marked like this. Like this. So first put the piece into the square mortise, then check to make sure the vertical piece is not leaning to one side. It should stand vertical. Looks okay. If it looks okay, trace the shape of the dovetail onto the vertical piece with a pencil. Now pull the piece out of the mortise. Next, I'll measure the distance from this edge to the neck of the dovetail and set the marking gauge at the same distance. Jack. And mark the same point on the other side too. Next, I'm going to reset the marking gauge to the distance here. Then I'll transfer it to the other side like before.